Hi, my name is Dawn Couture. This is a welcome to crime theory. I will be your professor in this course, and I just wanted to introduce myself briefly and go over a few things in preparation for launching into the course itself. A little bit about my background. I'm an attorney. My professional experience in law, most relevant to criminal justice work, is I was a prosecutor for 4 years in Norfolk District Attorney's Office, assigned primarily to sexual assault and domestic violence cases. So my work in the classroom certainly draws upon my experience from my work as a district attorney. I've been a full-time college faculty member at colleges in New England over the past 15 years. I have taught full-time at Dean College, at Mount Ida College, and most recently joining the faculty here, and happily so, at Bridgewater State University. This is my second semester at Bridgewater, and I'm really looking forward to teaching crime theory, which is a course that I thoroughly enjoy. But it is a challenging, interesting, but challenging course to teach and to learn. My interest in criminology was expanded after my work in the district attorney's office, wanting to better understand why people commit crime, why other people don't commit crime, and from a justice point of view, how can we best prevent crime in the first place, or at least reduce the severity and frequency of it. And if neither of those two things are successful, how can we most effectively respond to crime after it happens to protect victims and to hold offenders accountable in a fair and just way, which hopefully will deter them from future criminal conduct in the future. And that speaks to the issue of recidivism. I have a graduate certificate degree in forensic criminology from the University of Lowell. I was actually all of my coursework in that particular program was done online. So I have been a student, an online student, and experienced what that was like. Also done some professional development work online as well. This is my first fully online class, and I expect to learn a lot about online teaching, and I look forward to your feedback in helping me to be as effective as I possibly can.